Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get refund on Temu. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. To get a refund on Temu, follow these steps. First of all, log into your account. Go to the Temu website and log into your account. Then navigate to your orders. Click on your profile icon and select your orders. Select the order. Find the order you want to return and click on it. Now, how to request refund. Click on the return or other help button. Select already received the package and want to refund. Choose the items you want to return and the reasons for the return. Click next step and select your return method. Print return label. Click print to print the return label. Attach the label to your return package. Ship the package. Mail out the package at your local post office or UPS office. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.